Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y19s, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold power button and volume up at the same time, and from the boot options that will show up, select power off. Your phone will turn off, and when it does so, hold power button and volume up again, and let go of it when you see the Fastboot mode show up on the screen. From here, using volume buttons, you want to scroll down and select recovery mode, so just press volume down once and then press power button to confirm it. And there is our recovery mode. Now in here you can actually just tap on each option you want to utilize. So we have things like install software. Clear data consists of two options, clear cache and basically factory reset. Then we have safe mode and check system, along with two ways of leaving this mode. So I'm going to utilize restart, okay, and this will bring me back to Android. And we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.